Hello, video I show you. Service menu. I got the service menu third. Very many people, I know the service menu. The service menu on the Sony here. Display. You can see letter E icon here. You can see service menu. Apple Play, display. Press the file, one plus enter the TV on the service menu. You can see enter. And you got to set up. Set the Linux sheet and you can see info. Yeah, many people Lego tweet you one Lego 1 4 Lego tweet you and here the service menu. Display so you can see letter A here. Can you see letter E here? Display so you can say your info. I can see letter E. I can see. Phải cái nhà đi letter E. Cái letter cái gì? Anh phát hiện cái gì? Letter E and icon E icon. And they got TV with icon 5. TV with icon volume mine and icon off. You can hear the TV display single volume mine. These are TV. I can say this. Ở đây là chiếu trên đây là TV. And they okay. And you have to see panel on the sẽ gọi gì? You can see and chúng sẽ quên icon này icon zero I can do. Okay, video. I got many people. I don't know the service. And these are the no sender on the TV. We select okay. Info. Can see. Very little. Can see service. Again, check component input. Can see the tongue. Can see it. And to service menu. Okay. To service menu, press this info icon. Single lima volume CD on. Service menu here. Then no file. No send on me. It does not send me on. The TV will require and play info button. Then back. Then volume plus and volume man. TV on and here. Service here. Okay, service. Okay, video I try you how to service factory mode. Just one thing. Let guys 밑에 hole. Service menu. That is element color tab and ACD not available. Where? Because of all of the pattern and on. Here, cancel move very wide and here. The cancel 10. Play the 10. Can see. Cancel 10. Contain high long the everyday button and you can see button Lego 3D Lego in very many button now look for its button animals here the animals okay you can see Lego no sender. Yeah, animals. You can see Sony TV animals here. And factory mode, there are many functions. Factory sitting on the TV can say you are in your TV. Very many in TV and power. Oh, get on TV behind this. Oh, play. Display file one plus power. The file ID showing the display on the TV server here, and you can see check to auto. Click okay. Now can very many TV on. That's it. And video please.